Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print your presentation on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon down below, select a template that you would like to use in order to create your presentation, add slides, add your text, insert anything that you like. So after you have created your presentation and you would like to print it out, all you have to do is clicking on this three dots icon in the upper right corner of the screen and scroll down, tap on the print option in the middle. Then you should select whether you would like to AirPrint it or open it in another application. Then, as you can see, there is the layout options that you can select. You can swipe to the right side of the screens to select the print layout, whether you would like to print it out slide by slide or add all the slides to one paper. Then you can select the page orientation, such as landscape or portrait. Then whether you would like to frame your slides or not, or print the hidden slides. And also you can select the color of the page, such as grayscale, pure black and white. If you are done with all these information, you should tap on the next button in the upper right corner of the screen. Select your printer by clicking on the first option. Select how many copies do you want to print out. If you want to print out more than one, tap on the plus icon, or if you can also size it down by tapping on this minus icon. Here you can select which pages you want to print out. You can either select that you want to print out all pages, and you can select from 1 to 5. So if you don't want to print out all of them, only for example from number 3 to 5, then select it this way. Then go back and tap on the print icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and then you will be able to start the process of printing out your slides. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.